Hi guys, in today's video I will show you how to create multi-track stabilization in After Effects. It is beginner friendly and easy to follow. Let's get started. By the way, if you want these exact shakes, just a reminder that AM Film Shake preset pack is linked in the description. It's the easiest way to make your edits look expensive with a quick drag and drop. First scroll forward and trim the beginning of the clip to set your starting point and remove any unwanted footage. To trim the start, hold Alt and press the opening bracket key. Then trim the end by holding Alt and pressing the closing bracket key. With the clip ready, pre-compose it. Make sure move all attributes and adjust composition duration are selected, then click OK. Now move to the very beginning of the layer. You can press I on your keyboard to jump there quickly. Click Stabilize Motion. Set the preview quality to full for better visuals. Zoom into your footage and place the track point on the center of the object you want to lock onto. In this case, it is the wheel. Make the track point slightly larger for more accurate tracking. Then click Options, enable RGB, and turn on Adapt feature on every frame. Now click OK. And before starting the tracking, move to the point where the camera begins to shift to another wheel and stop there. We only want to track this part of the clip. To make the tracking stop automatically at this point, click the Set Out Point button. Now go back to the beginning of the clip and click Analyze Forward. Wait for the tracking to finish. The tracking will automatically stop at the point we selected. Once it's done, move forward to where the camera has fully switched to the second wheel or the new object you want to track. Zoom into the footage and place the track point on it. Adjust the track point if needed, then click Analyze Forward again to track this section as well. After the tracking is complete, press U on your keyboard to reveal the keyframes. You will see that the tracking data was created only where needed and the camera transition section remains empty since it does not require stabilization. With the tracking complete, click Apply and then OK. Close the tracking window. Next, enable proportional grid lines. This helps you see the exact center of the screen and align the footage properly. Before adjusting the position, press S on your keyboard and scale the video to remove the black edges. Now go to the beginning of the clip and move the layer until the wheel is centered. Preview the video, and that's it. The multi-track stabilization is complete. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like.